Hello students, a very good evening. I am Jatin with you in this another important session. As we have taken 3 sessions on this DILR series, and then primarily the 3 sessions were based on tournament, knockout tournament and football tournament, right? Today I decided to take a little different edge, and today we are going to cover the DI, which is actually driven by quantitative ability. I mean, although it is a question of table, it may be a question of bar graph, it may be a question of line graph, it may look like a question of data interpretation, but it is actually a question of quantitative aptitude, right? Just placed inside the data interpretation part. So it may be involving the concept of mixtures allegation, it may be involving permutation combination, it may be involving some averages, sometimes it is based on profit and loss, sometimes it is based on time in work or some time speed distance as well. So technically we cannot categorize this into different, but yes, to answer these questions actually the DI skill is not that important, but your quantitative skills are more important. So this small session of quantitative DI simplified will definitely help you understand that what exactly someone mean when I say a quantitative DI. Okay, so let me start with the session, guys. Please do share the session with your friend and confirm, is there any difficulty, any problem, any doubts from the previous sessions we have taken. And do like the session, guys. Okay, so this is, I always say that before I start, please do share the session, guys. Sharing the session is very important. Copy the link and share it with your friend on Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, wherever you can, so that you can inform maximum of your known relevant friends to join this session, right? You can see the CAT 2022 batch 3 is starting from 12th of July. It been started I think yesterday or day before yesterday, and we have another batch for Maharashtra CET. So these two batches you can accordingly choose, and then we have two specific sessions on 17th of July. Please make a note of this and set reminder. These are the few batches which started in the month which either started or scheduled to start in a month of July, right? Please make a note of this and accordingly take a wise decision. And currently there is a special scheme going on, that is Skill 50. You will get a flat 50% discount if you use this code. Okay, right? So I already have told you that what exactly I mean with quantitative DI. So as the name says, quant based DI. We can also say it is quant based DI. So what exactly the quant based DI is? It may be involving permutation combination. It been there in 2018, I believe. There was a flight wala puzzle kind of thing. It was pure counting based question. Although we can categorize this into DI because it was in DILR section, but it was pure counting based questions. It can be based on averages. There had been years when they asked the questions on averages. It may be question based on simple equations. It is more of just framing equation and solving them rather than doing some calculation or doing some multiplication division kind of basic operations or percentage kind of basic operations. No, it is simply based on simple equation. It may be based on time, speed and distance also, and it can be any part of quant, I can simply say. So quant based DI, just try to understand, it is just a added method of checking your understanding of quant inside data interpretation part. Many people many people are scared of this particular thing, but believe me, this is not a topic under DI which need to be scared. It is a topic, it is a kind of thing that many people are happy about it, because at least I have studied the quantitative aptitude, and that is helping me to handle one of the most difficult part of the CAT exam. You must be knowing DILR is considered the most difficult part of the complete paper in the last 3-4 years, because it is actually getting difficult year by year. Okay, 2017 DILR, you must be knowing, it was, I think, alien kind of DI, which many students have communicated after the exam, that if अगर कैट वाले चाहते ही नहीं थे कि हम क्वेश्चन करें तो फिर सेक्शन ही क्यों दिया था. And that was a story. Actually, a person is scoring just 30 marks in a paper of 96 marks, right, was above 95 percentile. So 1/3 of the score, and it was, I think, 96-97 percentile, right? So which was decently high, right? Okay. Let me start with the session, guys. Let me show you the set. This is a small set, I think, such a beautiful one. The milk varieties with different level of SNF percentage given in the table below. I don't know what exactly the SNF is. आप गूगल करके बता सकते हो मुझे. स्किम्ड, डबल टोन, टोन्ड, काउ मिल्क, फुल क्रीम, मलाई. ओके, ये वाला दूध मैंने देखा नहीं अभी. अल्टीमेट. अरे वाह. So basically, out of these names, I think we already aware of skim, double tone, tone, cow milk, and full cream. I myself is not aware of this malai wala milk or ultimate wala milk. Anyways, so do we understand? I can see just one thing, that this SNF is somewhere connected with the quality of milk. The better the quality, more the SNF. Okay. Now, what is the meaning of this? It says skim milk will have minimum 0.5% to maximum 1.5% of the SNF category. We don't know what is the exact. It may have as low as 0.5%. It may have as high as 1.5%. That way the story is given. I am completely blank what all questions they must have asked. So let's see the questions, right? This is the first question. And in fact, this question itself telling me that it is more of counting based. If maximum 2 type of varieties are mixed, so the important point is maximum 2. Well, might be possible that I am just taking one variety. So it may be just one variety or 2 varieties, right? In how many ways we can get a milk of SNF 4%? So how to use permutation combination hai? I am not able to understand. Anyone can help me with this? Just tell me, guys, if there is a container contain 20% pure milk, okay, and there is another container containing 60% pure milk. Is it possible that we mix them and we get 70% pure milk? Can you tell me in what ratio should I mix them so that I get a 70% pure milk? There are 2 containers, 20%, 60%. I am mixing them and getting a 70% pure solution. Is it possible? No, this is not possible. You know it very well that if X is the average of X1 and X2, X must be between X1 and X2 na? If X is the average, it must be between the two na? Simple analogy है. Average कभी भी बड़े वाले से बड़ा नहीं होगा और छोटे वाले से छोटा नहीं होगा. एक सिंपल सी बात समझ रहे हैं ना. काश ऐसा होता, फिर तो हम 2 डबल टोन खरीद के लाते और उनको ऐड करके टोन बना लेते, है ना. 2 टोन लेके आते, उनको ऐड करके फुल क्रीम बना लेते, फिर तो मलाई वाला भी बन जाता. तो ये बहुत छोटी सी बात हमें यहाँ पे समझना था, that if I am mixing 2 solutions and the overall concentration is 4%, right? I know one of the solution is more than 4% and one of the solution should be less than 4%. Are you getting my point? If I am mixing 2 solutions to get a 4% solution, the one of the solution should be more than 4% concentrated and one of the solution should be less than 4% concentrated. So I think now you can very easily do it. Now you can very easily do it. Okay? Right. So can I say that I should be having one solution in this category which is less than 4%, okay, and one solution should be in this category, it is 4% or more category. So I am going to select one out of these three. It can be done in 3C1 ways, and one out of these 4C1 ways. So total number of ways is 12 now. But there is another important point, guys. It is very crucial question, right? Important point is, this is not necessary that I mix two variety only. I can mix at most two variety. So if I am mixing two varieties, 12 ways. But if I need to take just one variety, what is that one variety? Cow milk. Just one variety, I can take that cow milk. So how many ways it can be done? I say one variety. That one variety, if it can be done in one way. Which one is this? Cow milk. Total number of ways, 13 ways. So possible that you just missed this particular element, maximum two types. Maximum two types means up to two varieties. It may be one variety or two variety. Straightforward one, but it is tricky one. Matlab, if you just miss that little word, your answer might be 12. So you have to be very careful. Getting my point? Okay. Moving to the next question now. This one. Again the same word, they are saying maximum two types. But this time they are saying non-cow. So I just put a cut here, non-cow. This variety is not allowed. Okay. To mix in how many different ways we can get a milk equivalent to cow milk. Okay. We should get a milk equivalent to cow milk. मतलब जो ओवरऑल सोल्यूशन आना चाहिए वो काउ मिल्क के बराबर आना चाहिए. So I think this was really easy one, because I cannot use this one, and I'm sure that I need to take one solution which is less than cow milk and one solution whose SNF is more than cow milk. Less than cow milk, there are three solutions. More than cow milk, there are three solutions. So it is 3 into 3. 3C1 into 3C1. Are you okay with this? So it is 9 ways. Is it possible I just take one solution and that is equivalent to cow milk? No, because this is starting with 5.5 and this is up to 4. That means no individual solution can alone be equivalent to cow milk except the cow milk itself. So how many ways are there? 9 ways. देखो कितने आराम से आंसर्स आ रहे हैं ना. इट्स वेरी इजी टू फिगर आउट आंसर if you have basic understanding of permutation, just basic understanding, nothing crucial or difficult about it. Okay, look at this now. Okay, I can just give you the hint. There is one very crucial point that is definite. मतलब definite 5% आना चाहिए. And you already know that you don't know that cow milk would be having 4% or 4.5%. It can be in the range of this. Might be possible that you have tested one sample of cow milk packet. It might be having just 4%. है ना. And here the question is asking you for the guarantee कि आपको 5% पक्का बनना चाहिए. So how would you do it? First of all, maximum 3 type can be mixed. That means either you are mixing 3 or you are mixing 2 or you are mixing 1. Okay, either you have mixed 3 solutions or 2 solutions or 1 solutions. If I am trying to mix just one solution and getting an accurate 5%, it is not possible. Definitely 5% I will get, not possible. Okay, so just ignore it out of the story, because none of the case has strict 5%. Clear, guys? Now if I'm looking for two varieties, I can mix the first three with last three. I am not considering this cow milk because cow milk has a range of 4 to 5.5. I cannot be confident that it would be a 4% solution or it would be a 5% solution or not. So basically this is 3C1 into 3C1. This, I think I started with one variety and two variety because we already have explored these things in detail in the previous questions as well. Okay. Now let me take it little forward, and I'm moving on to the three varieties now. So can you tell me how to handle this three variety case? How to handle this three variety case? These three variety, okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, in all 7 type of solutions are there, so total number of ways are 7C3, total number of ways. Now tell me, what if your concentration is in the first 4, this matlab if both the all the three solutions are belonging to the first 4 kind of solutions, then the concentration will be less than 4%. I have told you now, when you mix two solutions, the average concentration always lies in between. So if I mix any of the 3 out of these 4, the concentration will be less than 4. So I am subtracting these 4C3. Okay, same thing goes here. If the concentration lies in this range of the 4 solution, of the 3 solutions I have taken, right? So basically these 4, if the 3 solutions are on the lower 4, they cannot give you accurate 5% concentration. So minus 4C3. एक बार check करें क्या guys? So what is your answer? 7C3 is 7 into 6 into 5 by 6, 35. 35 minus 8, okay, plus 9 plus 0. So 35 minus 8 is 27 and 9 36. So I think 36 ways are there. Acha, what is the meaning of this? Such that in every way all varieties used must not be same. So that means he is trying to say in how many different ways, right? So I think that's not creating any difference to us. Is this clear? Please tell me guys, any confusion here? Any confusion here? The thought process has been changed a little because of this definitely word. Okay, if you look at the previous question, it was written to get equivalent to milk, that's fine, to get a SNF 4%. Okay, but in this question they were saying definite, that means whatever I do, the guarantee should be there. So I have taken the cases which are not in favor of us. Okay, look at this. Just a minute. Maximum 2 varieties are allowed to mixed in such a way that SNF is more than 4%, okay, but less than or equal to 7.5%. So this is a range they are talking about. Should be more than 4 and less than 7.5. ठीक है. अच्छा, now अगर मैं cases बनाना शुरू करूँगा ना तो काफ़ी मेहनत लग जाएगा, because might be possible you will take first out of these 4 and second out of these 4. ठीक है, you may take first out of these 3. मतलब टाइम लगेगा ऐसे सोचने में, तो okay, so what's the right way? you know that if I'm mixing two solutions, the total number of A's is 7C2. Total number of A's is 7C2. Now, in what case your concentration wouldn't be in the range this? In what case your concentration would not be in this range if both the solutions are in the upper half? Both the solutions are in the upper half. So minus 3C2. Clear? Or both the solutions are from the lower half. That means 2C2. I think this will be easier to count here. Right? I say total number of A's minus the cases which are not in favor of us. Total number of K's minus the cases which are not in favor of us. Okay? समझ रहे हैं ना? Everyone? Okay. Or if I am considering just one solution, it can be either cow milk or it can be either full cream. Either cow milk or either full cream, because cow milk is also in that range and full cream is also in that range. 7C2 is 7 into 3, 21. 21 minus 3 minus 2 is 16. 21 minus 5, 16 if I am not wrong. 16 plus 5. So answer comes out to be 18, I believe. Check it out. Please check it out. 7C2 minus 2C2 minus 3C2, yes. Okay, and 2 ways because maximum 2 varieties likha tha. So answer seems like 18 ways. Check it out. 21 minus 3 is 18. Minus 2 plus 2 is cancelled. Yes, everything is correct, I believe. Okay. You understood why I have considered this way? Because I am saying out of the total possibilities, I just discarded the cases where, because might be possible you are mixing these two solutions. Still your concentration will be in this range. Might be possible you are mixing this solution with this solution. You are mixing this with this. बहुत सारे केस बनने वाले हैं. इससे बढ़िया है टोटल केस बना के माइनस कर लेते हैं. क्लियर है? एक और सवाल करता है. अच्छा, व्हाट इज दिस? All varieties of milk are available in ample quantities, okay, and you are allowed to mix at most 2 varieties, the maximum 2 varieties, and which kind of milk can be obtained through maximum possible combinations. Matlab, they are asking that which milk can be driven by maximum possibilities. Which milk can be driven by maximum possibilities? So let's say I'm thinking about toned milk. Okay, I want the tone category. If I want the tone category, that means it is 2C1 2 ways into 4 ways. That is 2 into 4, 8 ways. Okay, cow milk. If I look at the cow milk is a middlemost. So it is 3 into 3. 3 into 3. Okay. If I look at full cream, I think आपको समझ आ गया होगा. Full cream, है ना? It is 4 into 2. If I am willing for maximum possible combinations, so maximum possible ways, I ensure that that solution is the middlemost. That solution is the middlemost. That means it has to be cow milk, because in case of cow milk we would be having maximum number of possibilities to create that range of SNF. Is this clear? Everyone, guys? Okay. So I hope by this small set I made you clear that to handle such questions you don't need data interpretation skills. You need more of mixtures and alligation or a permutation combination or any of the quantitative skills, right? It can be based on time, speed, distance. It can be based on any other topic which you think of, right? Especially the arithmetic part. So some people also call this topic as arithmetic based DI. Okay, everyone? So let's move forward. That's all for the day, guys. We have 2 batches, one for CAT 2022 that recently started, and one batch is for Maharashtra CET, which is the most demanded batch as of now. Many students enrolling for these batches. You can attend these special sessions planned on 17th of July, both the sessions on 17th of July, and both the student are rank 4 and rank 19 of Maharashtra CET. So both the students are obviously JBIMS alumnus, I believe. So they will definitely help you to understand that how to get into JBIMS and how to crack Maharashtra CET. These are the batches which either started or is starting in the month of July. These are the batches running under the CAT platform of GradeUp. You can see the list of members, list of faculty members who are part of the GradeUp team, and you must have attended the session of many of these faculties either on YouTube or on the GradeUp app. This is the detail of GradeUp subscription plan. Either you can enroll for 2021 or you can enroll for 2022. You may call it this number if you have any queries, right? And guys, this is the request I always say. Please comment in the comment box if you find anything difficult in the session, any queries you have. Either I or my team will try to answer your question as soon as possible. Do like the session if you enjoyed it and you think that like at least can be done by you. ये जो लाइक है ना, ये मोटिवेट करती है हमें अच्छा लगता है कि हाँ देखो इतने बच्चों को सेशन देख के अच्छा लगा. And obviously this is not a offline kind of communication where I can see your faces and I can identify yes you are enjoying the session. So this like is actually a motivation for us. Share, yes, please copy the link and share with your friend, and subscribe the channel if you're watching me for the first time on this CAT channel of GradeUp. Bye bye guys.